Hey, so today we are gonna be having a little bit of experiment today. So I have here an 18650 battery, and what I'm actually planning is tape some firecrackers around the 18650 battery and see if what's gonna happen. So it's pretty obvious that this thing is gonna explode also, but let's just try and tape that. So guys, this is the setup. So basically I just have to place it something like this. So let's light this thing up. I'm just really curious if what's gonna happen. So I know, don't try this at home, guys. Hopefully we can ignite all of it at once. Oh man, it's freaking windy actually. So, damn. Still not. Not yet. Shit, dude. Come on. Well, actually, nothing happened. The first one. Actually, nothing happened, and the battery is still okay. There's just a little bit of a hole at the upper part. So let's try it one more time. Oh man, sorry that was an out of focus, but battery's still okay. Battery's still good actually. So battery's still good. Nothing happened. So I totally expected that. Um, Actually, I really expected that this battery will blow up, but it ended up just burning the outer cover. So I think we need a more powerful firecracker, but as of now, this is the only firecracker that I have. So leave in the comments if what do you want to do with this 18650 batteries. So thank you for watching. See you next time.